Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, we can buy 8 guavas for RM80. How much money will we need if we want to buy 12 guavas? Sure, we can buy 8 guavas for 80 RM. Okay, so cost of one guava is given by 80 by 8, that is 10 RM. Okay, so cost of 12 guavas will be number of guavas, that is 12 into cost of one guava. So it is 10, that is 120 RM.